This is where tempered glass is manufactured.
Tempered glass production requires precise control.
The process starts with raw float glass sheets. Heavy machines handle the fragile sheets. Sheets are stored by size and thickness. Each sheet enters the production line. Exact positioning is critical. The glass is cut to required dimensions. Precision cutters score the surface. The glass breaks cleanly along the cut. Each panel is visually inspected. Sharp edges are ground smooth.
This prevents cracks during tempering.
The glass is thoroughly washed. Now, the glass is ready for tempering. Tempering begins inside a high-temperature furnace. The glass is heated evenly from all sides. Temperatures rise above 600 degrees Celsius. Rollers keep the heat uniform. Sensors constantly monitor temperature.
The glass softens without melting.
Operators adjust settings for precision.
Timing is critical at this stage.
The glass exits at peak temperature. It immediately moves to rapid cooling. This is the quenching zone. Cold air hits the surface instantly. The surface compresses as it cools. The inner core cools more slowly. This difference makes the glass much stronger.
The tempering process is now complete.
The surface is under strong compression. Inside, the glass holds internal tension. Flatness is carefully checked. Optical quality must remain high. Edges are tested for strength. Tempered glass resists heavy impact. This makes it much safer than regular glass.
strict safety standards are applied.
Samples are taken from every batch. Approved glass is permanently marked. Each panel meets exact requirements. The glass moves to final handling.
Packaging protects the glass during transport.
Spacers prevent surface contact. Panels are stacked securely. Edges receive extra protection. Wrapping holds everything in place. Crates add structural support. Each crate is clearly labeled.
Weight and balance are verified.
Crates are stored in the warehouse.
Forklifts move crates safely.
Orders are prepared for shipping. Crates are loaded for transport. Cargo is secured before departure. Shipments leave the factory daily. Tempered glass is ready for use worldwide.